Hold tight, I've been right where you
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be mounting TV on the wall, and for that we'll use this mount, TV mount from Amazon. So this package does come in with enough instructions for everything you need. You have the installation instructions, you have all the necessary tools that you need. So let's start. So that's the TV that we're mounting. So we'll start by doing the measurements, trying and see how high we want it. Probably 60 centimeters from the wall. So let's see how high we want it, and we can start. So what I'm gonna do first is assembling the wall plate unit. So there's two parts. There's one side to the left, and the other side on the right. So there's two screws that need to be inserted here. So you have one on this side, you have two on either side. So you need to connect these two, and then you need to get the two screws. Got two sets. So you have one on this side and two on the other side. Then I'm gonna try and get the center, try to make the TV be at the centermost place in the room. So once we have that set, we'll try and figure out how high we want the TV. I think this height is good enough. So we'll try and get it so that will be the center of the TV. And then next we'll mount this bracket there. So what we need to do is we'll use a stud finder. I'm going to use an app. I don't have the actual tool, so I'm going to use an app. And this app is going to help us identify the nails. That's where the actual wooden plank is. So there we have a stud detected. So we're going to mark that place and look for a little bit more. We have another one here. So with this we know there's a wooden plank on either side, and we'll figure out when we're drilling. So at least now we know that's where we need to have the big nails going inside, and that's what will be holding the TV intact on the wall. So we'll try and do the markings and drill, and we'll use these two spots over here, which are close to the center of the TV, and then we can make some more holes on this bracket. We'll use this, we can have it balanced. So we've identified these two spots over here where there's a wood plank at the back. So the stud was able to make us detect them. So just to make it straight, we'll use this, and we can use the leveler. So we'll use this, trying to make sure that we have it level. So we have the 4 spots marked. So just to confirm, so with that, now we can drill some holes into those 4 spots. So the holes we need to make are this size. If you feel it's hard enough to go in, then you're sure there's a wooden plank at the back. You can also knock it just to feel it. You can hear the difference. So my drill is not strong enough, so I made use of a wrench. I have a wrench set with all different sizes of bolts, so I think that's going to work for me, since I tried drilling into and I wasn't able to go all the way in. Always make sure that it's level before you do the other side. Yes, it is. So we're going to do these 4 sides, and then we'll have the bracket behind just mount the back of the TV on the other bracket, and finally we'll just slide it in.
'Cause now
So we have the wall mount pretty much straightened up, well inside. Next thing would be to get this TV, the backside mounted on the other bracket, and then we'll have it hanging over here soon. So we have the brackets and the screws over here, so we'll just get the screws that fit the holes in the back, and then get washers for the same, and spacers if we need to use spacers. So here the screws, we'll just choose the size that fits the best. So we'll just use the spacers. So we'll first start with these 2 sides over here. So just make sure you have them level. You got the 4 screws on top, and then that's where we have the screw. So we finally have all the bolts inside. Next thing would be just to mount it.
trying to keep my head up high, but the water keeps on rising, pulling on my knees besides. I can live and feel like dying, but there's something inside of me that keeps me alive. Cold eyes staring right back at me, but they won't see me cry. This fight
So you can move it however you want, just so you can have it in the center most place.
We're different, you and I. Don't you know? We are
And then you can adjust it if you want it straight, if you want it tilting down. And then you can tie it once you're done. So this is what I mean. You can tilt it, you can have it vertical. And then in the back, you can see how it's moving. And then if you want it secured, there is all the way down inside. You can screw this part over here. You can tighten it up using a small screwdriver. So we can use this just to secure the brackets, to secure the TV on the brackets. It's a bit tight, but if you can reach, the better. So just once you have it at the best position, just tighten it up. And there we have it. So we do the same on the other side. There's this string over here, down here, that came in with the brackets. You just there's a spot for just entering it into the wall bracket, and when taking off the TV from the mount, you do the same, just plug it